right. There we go. Let's see it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is it. All right, here. All right, guys. We are taking a look at the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Pro right there. Brand new orange color. It looks pretty dope. Love the look of this right here. It's got the new camera system here, new camera housing, all new aluminum body, has a bigger battery, and also Apple has its new vapor chamber, which is pretty nice. So of course, gamers, you know this is going to be dope. A19 processor in here. Look at that. Feels very comfortable. I like the feel, the look right here. This is a triple camera system, triple 48 megapixel cameras all around. Now taking a closer look at that triple camera system here. Again, it's a triple 48 megapixel fusion camera system. We've got a 4x zoom right there, you can see it, guys. And we've got an 8x zoom. So those telephotos are going to look pretty nice and luscious. Now, Apple's talking about 8 cameras in your pocket all around, so we should be getting some really good stuff. Also, video has been upgraded, which of course every single year it's pretty dope.
It's the same promotion.
Yeah, so you've got a ProMotion display, 120 hertz, pretty nice, very good. I like it. So the brand new camera is pretty dope. It's got center stage. It can also auto rotate, 18 megapixels. It's pretty nice. I'm liking what they're putting up here. I think you're gonna like it.